How you guys doing? Dead Presidents here. I'm just gonna go over how I set up my charts on TradingView. Try to get you guys right. Try to get you guys, making money with us. So first, when you come into TradingView, you can access TradingView through the website. You could just type in www.tradingview.com, access it through there. Free accounts, you don't have to pay nothing. I personally would go for the Pro account, Pro Plus membership, because then you can add a bunch of indicators on your chart, add alerts, etc., notifications, or you could do it through the app. They also have a phone app if you're a mobile trader. I don't recommend being a mobile trader. I'd say you get better results on your computer, but you do you. So when you hop on here, you're gonna see your charts. They probably won't look too much like this, but you're gonna hop on here. You're gonna go to chart properties. So first things first, when you can go to appearance, you can change if you're a black background guy or white background guy. I like to go black, just helps my eyes when I'm out here, in the dark on my computer doing research at night. So I go black. You can mess with the vertical grid lines, like those. I like to keep mine low visibility just because I really don't care for them. Session breaks, don't like to have those on. I don't even need them. I know when the session's done. Scan lines, crosshair, watermark if you're trying to maybe take a screenshot of the chart you're sending. I don't usually have that on. So the only thing on this I really changed probably is the background of black. Where you need to go to is symbol. And then once you're on symbol, if you want to change the colors of your bar, you could do that. I just keep mine however they are. You want to come down to session. This is what you want to change. Session, and you want to make sure that if yours is on regular trading hours, that does not, you want to change it to extended trading hours, because then you'll get aftermarket and pre-market moves on your chart, because on TradingView it won't show you that regularly. So you need to do that on the session. You're going to come to, chart settings and symbol, session, extended trading. All right, and once you do that, just press OK. Now you can see this highlighted part is the after, extended trading hours. So once you got that done, your chart's all good. Then you need some indicators on there. So I come to the indicator up here top left on TradingView, hit indicators, and first things first, you're gonna need some volume. So you gotta type in some volume, get volume on here. I already got it on my chart, so I'm just gonna pop it up right here. It's gonna look like this. When you get the volume on there, go to the volume indicator settings. Make sure you got the volume moving average. That will plop a line on the volume bars and show you where the average volume for that time of day would be. So then you'll know if anything's above average volume, below average volume. It'll help you in your trades. You really need that. So once you got that, you press OK. You got your volume. Next up, we're going to go hit the indicators. And next up, I would go VWAP. VWAP. Once you got the VWAP, it's going to look a little bit different. You're going to have to come to the settings, go to the VWAP, input, everything, keep that the same. Come to the style, unclick upper band, lower band. We don't need those. Unclick bands fill. Just keep the VWAP itself. That's all we need. That's the most important right there. Then I'd say we could put the Bollinger Bands on. BB Bollinger Bands. Those are important. Every trader got to use the Bollinger Bands. So once you got the Bollinger Bands, VWAP, volume, I'd add, maybe some fibs in there, some fib levels. And then I'd add some EMAs, some 20, 50, 100 day. And just a basic setup like this, you might want another 200 day on there. But just a basic setup like this, is pretty good. You can see right here, kind of curling. It looks kind of like QQQs is ready to take off from here, honestly. But just a basic setup like this is good. You don't need you don't need to just plot on indicators you don't use. You know what I'm saying? I use a lot of indicators. You can see right here. But a lot of these I built my way up, like a lot of these I use for certain things, and every indicator on my chart has a use. I don't put anything on there I'm not using, people ask, why don't I put RSI down here? It's really because I'm really not looking at RSI unless I'm doing, night watch list and I'm looking at daily charts and doing all that. When I'm really just in the moment trading in the morning scalping, I don't really need RSI. It's just taking room up on my chart. I just need to look at the price action, moving average lines. I need my 200 day on there. I need my Ichimoku cloud on there, some linear reg, some auto fib levels. That's really about it with the VWAP. But I'm hoping I helped you guys set up your chart a little bit better, guys. If you have any more questions, drop them in the comments. Like, sub, hit me up. We're trying to all make this money. If you got any recommendations on other videos you guys would want to see, maybe stock analysis, whatever, more indicators you guys want to know about, how I use certain things, let me know. Drop them in the comments, guys. Peace.